Hi everybody, it's Sam with MissionMonday.com. This week our missions all have to do with doing something to help lower test anxiety and boost student confidence. We're in test season where I'm from. Maybe you are as well, so I hope these are helpful. We'll start with our staff mission this week. Our staff mission is tell a different student each day how you know that they can be successful at a test. There's a few different ways that you could do this. You could validate some learning you know a child has mastered and really emphasize how important it is that they have that learning. You can maybe validate a particular skill they have, and that might also help. Or maybe you can even say, hey, you know what, you don't have to worry about this test because of, and then talk about some of the preparation that they've gone through. There's a lot of different ways we can validate our students and lower that level of concern on a test to an appropriate level and not at that freak out level. Next mission, student mission. What we'd like our students to do this week, tell a different student, a different classmate each day about the talents you recognize they have. A way you can do that with your students is that students can say, hey, do you know how I know that you're smart? And then they could engage in a conversation about what they've seen their classmates do to demonstrate how sharp they are or things that they've accomplished. And it doesn't have to be that phrase, that's just maybe one way you could do it. Parent mission. The parent mission this week, practice studying and taking a test this week at home. Now this one's a little bit different. What I'd like you to do, parents, is go through some of your child's homework, or maybe even grab a test from earlier in the school year where they didn't do very well, and on Monday, sit down and go through that test with them. And then this week, take some time each day and refocus on that learning and on that test. And this is going to take a little more work, parents. What I want you to do is kind of write up a short little test of your own, maybe only 5 or 10 questions, and then have your child take that on Friday. And then in that process, they're going to learn that information, they're going to be successful at that little mini test, and they're going to be successful at that little mini test in a home environment. What we want you to do is help your child think a test is no big deal, that it's just part of the routine, part of something that I can handle. It's not so much the learning that we're trying to lower the level of concern on. What we're trying to lower the level of concern on is the test in general. We want to make it feel like, hey, this is something I can handle. This is just part of what I do. It happens at home, it happens at school because of my preparation, my support that I have for my teachers, and my support that I have for my parents, and the support I have for my classmates. I can handle this. So those are our missions this week. Hopefully they will help bring down some of your test anxiety. As always, if you would like to see us on Facebook, our Facebook page, you can link to our MissionMonday.com website. You can make some comments. Our videos are usually up there as well. Also, if you want to follow us on Twitter, that's @mission_Monday, and then you can get the missions, this video, all on tweets, and those usually come out on Sunday night, and every once in a while a few other things. And as always, if you want to email us, sam@tnop.net, just put Mission Monday in the title, and you can get all of this in email form as well. So whatever works for you. As always, thanks for your commitment to the mission. I hope it makes a difference, and we will see you next week.